it's Jan from Jandle in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome. Today's video is going to be something I picked up at Chanel. It was an impulse purchase, but I needed it anyway. I love the color of it. So if you're interested, guys, in seeing what it is, keep on watching. So guys, if you've seen my last unboxing, and if you haven't, go over and check it out. It is this beautiful yellow card holder with the gold CCs made out of the grained calfskin leather. So if you want to see more about that, go check it out for that video and unboxing. So today's video, guys, like I said, is something small that I picked up from Chanel. So let's go ahead, guys, and we will unbox that. I hope you're all having an amazing day today. Any ideas, guys, what it might be? Take off the ribbon. The box. It does come in the standard dust bag along with the care booklet there. This one I purchased for 688 Canadian dollars before they had the price increase. Let me go ahead and move the box. So guys, let's go ahead and take a peek at what it is. Any guesses on the color? So this is what I picked up on an impulse purchase. I love the color. I was going to go with the black, a little different because everybody has the black. Now this one is from the 23 P collection. It is the beige single card holder. It's the classic card holder, and it does have the gold CCs on the front. It does have the calfskin leather. There is a back for your card holders there. Let's go ahead, open it up. This one is made in France. Let's go ahead and take this out. There's the inside, guys. For your cards in the front, you can carry some change in the back. Now this one does have the sticker on the inside where they're not doing the authenticity card that comes with it like they did previously. This one does have the sticker. I don't want to go too close to that, but there is what I purchased, guys. I really like this one. You can fit a lot of cards in it. Gorgeous color. Like I said, this one I picked up. This was the last one available at my store. This one retails for 680 Canadian dollars with all your taxes on it. Came up to 761.88 before the price increase. So I just wanted to pop on here very quickly and do a quick unboxing to show you my latest item. So if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram at Jandle Smith, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.